So do you guys want to fix the GPU issue on Adobe Premiere Pro? Then you guys are in the right place. Let's get started. So the very first thing is that I want to show you the website here, which is called Nvidia Developer, and you guys will need to download the CUDA toolkit. And so all you guys need to do is choose the Windows and click on x86, then choose the Windows 10 if you guys are using Windows 10. So and on installer type, you guys need to check local instead of network. I would prefer using local because it's same size, so it doesn't matter at all. So you are going to be downloading this. So you can see it's a really massive file, like a 3 GB of file that you guys are trying to download right now. And this basically installed you the CUDA drivers correctly on your Nvidia graphics card, and Premiere Pro will also use this. Now let's get started. So download this. All right, I have already downloaded, as you guys can see here. So this is my CUDA driver, and I'm just going to do is install this on my computer. Right click to install. So double click to install this and click in yes. It should pop for you. Now it's going to extract the CUDA setup package. Now click in OK. You guys can see that. Alright guys, so we have extracted this. Now it's going to install or open up the installer here. Now it's checking the system compatibility, and all you guys need to do is read this agreement and click on continue. So I would recommend using the express instead of custom because it will install whatever that you guys needed. So yeah, just click on next and click on I understand and wish to install regardless. So this will take some moment, so you guys should be waiting for maybe 5 minutes. Alright, so now you can see that it's been installing everything like inside system, but later on you can uninstall this, or you can also choose the custom installation if you wanted to. Now it's installing the graphics driver. Alright, my recorder was being crashed when I was installing because it was installing the Nvidia. My recorder uses Nvidia graphics card. So now once you guys have installed it or completed that, just click on next. So it's showing you guys, click on next and create the shortcut to desktop. Alright, so now you can see you have a GeForce experience as well. Well, you guys don't need to log in right now, but yeah, you have already installed the CUDA driver correctly for the Premiere Pro. So I'm just going to close this. If you guys playing the game, then you guys will need the GeForce experience. All right, so I'm just going to close this right now. And yeah, so if you open up the Premiere Pro, your GPU driver and everything, it should be working completely fine. Alright, so now click on new project. Then you should see the Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration, which is by CUDA. So I'm just going to test OK as a name, and all you guys need to do is press on OK, and you can import any media that you guys wanted to. So I'm just going to test this with this video. So well, you can see that I have imported a video over here. Now it's time to render it out. So click on File and go to Export, then click on Media. So now from here, go to this Video tab. Okay, click on Video tab. Now you should be choosing hardware encoding on the performance because this is what the GPU will be using. Okay, if you choose this, the CUDA driver will be activated and your GPU will spike up just like over here. So right now I'm using the OBS, so it's spiking right now. So choose the hardware encoding and then try to export it. So you can see that it's really faster when you use GPU. Well, it's using GPU and CPU as well. You can see that. Alright, so it's working completely fine. So I'm just going to cancel this out. So if in your case, if it doesn't work for you with this method, so I will recommend you to do this from scratch. Like, first thing is that you guys need to uninstall Premiere Pro and then install CUDA. Alright, after you have installed CUDA, then you guys need to restart your computer. Then after restarting your computer, then finally install the Premiere Pro, and it should be working completely fine after that. Yeah, you can use this method if in case that method doesn't work for you. So let me know in the comment that if this video was working for you or not. So yeah, just let me know in the comment. Check this playlist for more awesome videos just like this, and like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.